Okay, this time we're going to be adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing fractions, but we're going to put a few more fractions here and put some mixed fractions as well. So for here we need common denominators to add and subtract. So we're going to write 2 time tables, which is 2, 4, 6, and 8. My 6 time tables will be 6, 12, 18, and 24. And my 4 time tables will be 4, 8, 12, and 16. I'll see if there's anything common. If there's nothing common, I'll go one more level. And I don't think I see anything that's common yet, so let's go one more level. So 2 time tables will go down to 10, 6 time tables will go down to 30, and for the 4 time tables we'll go down to 20. And look for anything common. Hey, there's nothing common yet. Okay, let's go one more. So for 2 time tables we'll go to 12, for 6 time tables we'll go to 36, for the 4 time tables we'll go to 24. And yes, I finally found something that's common. Those 12s. 12 here, here, and here. All right, so we got our least common multiple. So for the 2 time tables, the multiplier for 12 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is times 6 times 6. For the 6 time tables, 12, the multiplier is 1, 2. It's times 2 and times 2. For 4, the multiplier to get 12 is 1, 2, 3. So that's times 3 times 3. Okay, now we're going to do some multiplication here. So first we're going to do 3 times 6 and 2 times 6. Well, 3 times 6 is 18 and 2 times 6 is 12. Next we have 5 times 2 and 6 times 2. 5 times 2 is 10, 6 times 2 is 12. Next we have 3 times 3 and 4 times 3. Well, 3 times 3 is 9, and 4 times 3 is 12. So now I can subtract 10 take away 9 is 1, plus 18 makes 19. So adding, subtracting gives me 19 over 12. Okay. Next, we'll do multiplication of these mixed numbers. To do multiplication of mixed numbers, we're going to do multiplication and adding. So we're going to say 3 times 3 and then add 1. Well, 3 times 3 is 9, and you add 1 more to it, you get 10. So this is now 10 over 3. This times. Here, once again, we're going to do multiplication and adding. So we're going to say 2 times 2 and then add 1. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 more makes 5. So that's 5 over 2. Now, since this is multiplication, the rule for multiplication is that you multiply all your numerators. So this is going to be 10 times 5 and then 3 times 2. Okay, so 10 times 5 makes a 50, whereas 3 times 2 makes a 6. Now, these both can be divided by 2, so we'll simplify. Divide by 2. 50 divided by 2 gives me 25, whereas 6 divided by 2 gives me 3. And that's as far as I can go there. Okay, next, division. Okay, once again, we're going to turn these mixed numbers into improper fractions. So it'll be 3 times 3, then add 1. 2 times 2 plus 1. So 3 times 3 is 9, plus 1 more is 10 over 3. This is still division. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 more is 5 over 2. Okay, now we're going to do a keep, change, and a flip. So this will keep the 10 over 3. This will change the multiplication. And this will flip over to 2 over 5. Now we can do our multiplication. We can say 10 times 2. So here, 10 times 2. And we can do 3 times 5 for the denominator. 3 times 5. Okay. So 10 times 2 will give us 20. And 3 times 5 will give us 15. Now we can divide both of these by 5 in order to simplify. So let's divide 20 by 5 and by 15 by 5. 20 divided by 5 will be 4, and 15 divided by 5 will be